Welcome to this Rise Tek tutorial. Rise Tek Incorporated is an authorized Hans laser dealer. In this video, we'll walk through the Hans LaserNest part list, step by step. Part list. Open the part list, or BOM, from the top toolbar. You can modify part parameters such as quantity, material, thickness, gas type, and more. You can also modify the rotation type, including rotate at will, 90-degree increments, 180-degree increments, and no rotation. Change the rotation type to no rotation and re-nest. The part maintains its original angle during nesting. You can choose whether mirroring is allowed for a part and whether internal hole nesting is enabled. After enabling internal hole nesting, re-nest. Small parts are nested inside the holes of this part. Modify the additional spacing for a part and re-nest. The part retains the specified spacing during nesting.